Introducing the Turkey Swoop Kit keyboard. So this keyboard is based off the Swoop, but as you can tell, because that's all we sell, the Choc V1 switches, that's what it's compatible with. But like my other kit keyboards, this has full RGB per key lighting, and it also supports, as you could tell here, and from these cutouts on the top cover, that it also supports rotary encoders. So you can have this as wired, wireless, rotary encoders on one or both sides. Doesn't matter which one. Or you could have, like in this case, no rotary encoders installed if you'd rather just have a plain keyboard. Just as the other kit keyboards, this one has Pro Micro support right now. And honestly, I personally like the wired QMK with vial support, but for those of you that want the wireless, you can have that. I recommend when this comes available, you get it without the RGB lighting, because these little batteries will drain very fast with these lights. But at least you have it if you want it. We'll have extended battery lives too, larger capacity, but just something to keep in mind when you're looking at those if you're wanting to buy one. Or if you're wanting to build one. This is, just like all my other keyboards, fully open source. It's available on the Turkey Boards GitHub page, along with the cases. Just as my other cases, it's completely flush, as thin as I can make it where it sits. These 3D printed cases have M2 heat inserted nuts in them, and with a 2mm clearance, so everything sits as flush and as low as possible within this case. So it makes it for a very travel friendly, very easy to use, ergonomic friendly keyboard. If you're a fan of the sweep but really want that third key, the Swoop is for you. So I recommend you give this keyboard a good look over. Again, it's available at turkeyboards.com, or you can find it on GitHub if you want to build your own project on github.com/turkeyboards, where you can find all of our projects and make it your own. And please remember to like and subscribe to this video. Join us in our online communities on either our Turkey Boards subreddit or on our private Discord group. We'd love to see some pictures of what you build and what you make. We're a bunch of keyboard enthusiasts. It's fun. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.